Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Nissan Murano key fob. First, gather all your key fobs, both old and new, as you'll need to program them all at once. Make sure your vehicle's battery is in good condition to avoid any interruptions during the programming sequence. You'll be using the ignition and the door lock buttons, so familiarize yourself with their locations. This process is straightforward if you follow each step carefully. To begin, sit in the driver's seat with all doors closed and unlocked. Now, insert and remove your key from the ignition cylinder 6 times within a quick 10-second window. Don't turn the key, just insert and remove it. After the 6th removal, your vehicle's hazard lights should flash twice. This visual cue confirms that your Nissan Murano has successfully entered the key fob programming mode. With the vehicle in programming mode, insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the ACK position. Immediately press any button on the key fob you wish to program, then remove the key. For additional fobs, repeat this step within 5 seconds of programming the previous one. This ensures all your key fobs are recognized by the vehicle's system. Once all fobs are programmed, you're almost done. To exit programming mode, simply turn the ignition to the on position, then remove the key. Now, it's crucial to test each programmed key fob to ensure it locks, unlocks, and functions correctly. Try all buttons on every fob. If any fob isn't working, you might need to repeat the process. For more details and other great deals, remember to check the description below this video. Enjoy your newly programmed key fobs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.